In front of me is OPPO A16S, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen on this device. You need to start by opening one of your apps that you wish to use in split screen view. I will go with Play Store. Then click on this button with 3 lines to access background apps. In order to continue, select those 3 dots at the top right corner of your app and click on Split Screen. Then tap on the other one. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, you can do that by dragging the first app upwards or downwards and selecting Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!